Welcome to Learn Sentence with Biology. Today we will learn Grade 10, Bio, Chapter 1, Introduction to Biology. Let's start. 1.2.5 Classification of Plants and Animals. Everyone must be able to identify objects and to relate their observation to other people. Most people are familiar with some of the common forms of plants and animals. However, since there are so many different kinds of plants as well as animals, the word plant or animal is not sufficient for identification. Linnaeus, a Swedish naturalist, studied and gave scientific names to thousands of plants and animals. He introduced the binomial system of nomenclature in the year 1753. Each plant and animal is given a two-word name by this system. The first name is the genus and the second is the species.
The name of the genus is always started with a capital letter and the name of the species is started with a small letter. These two names constitute the scientific name of the organism. For example, the scientific name of human is Homo sapiens, and that of paddy plant is Oryza sativa.
You have completed today's lessons. Don't forget to subscribe for more lessons. See you next time.